A-frame. Cabin plan. Modern and nature-infused living. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a modern and eco-friendly A-frame cabin plan. If you're looking for minimalist, comfortable living, this design is for you. A-frame structures offer functional and stylish spaces for living in harmony with nature. Overview. This A-frame cabin is a two-story structure with an area of 2,930 square meters. The ground floor is 722 square meters, and the upper floor is 530 square meters. With large windows and high ceilings, the house has plenty of natural light and creates a spacious atmosphere. Ground floor. The ground floor offers a spacious and functional space. The kitchen is very useful with large countertops and plenty of storage space. The living room is flooded with natural light through large windows and measures 12 feet 6 inches by 12 feet 5 inches. In addition, the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are ideal for everyday living. Upper floor. The upper floor offers a private space for the parents. The master bedroom is very comfortable, with large windows overlooking nature. Another feature of the upper floor is the large terrace, a great place to watch the sunset or enjoy nature. Outdoor space. The large glass surfaces of the A-frame cabin create a perfect connection between the indoors and the outdoors. There is a swimming pool and a large garden area off the ground floor. Great outdoor spaces where you can spend time surrounded by nature. The result? This A-frame cabin design combines modernity and harmony with nature. Large windows, natural light, and relaxing open spaces make living here comfortable. If you're looking for a combination of natural living and modern design, this is the perfect option. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your comments with us. See you in our next video.